Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the secrets on how to use orange peel for glowing face. If you want clear and brighter skin in no time, then continue watching this video to the end. Orange is rich in vitamin C, which is best when it comes to your skin. From the peel to the juice, all work in the best possible ways to keep your skin glowing and healthy. If you wish for younger looking, healthy skin, then switch to an orange cream and thank me later. So before we continue, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, like this video and share this video as well. So first of all, make sure to wash the oranges very well to avoid bacteria in the cream. So I'm washing the oranges thoroughly before I start the process. Next, get a grater and then grate the orange peel to get your orange zest. So I'm going to continue with the grating till I get all the orange zest from the orange. This is how the orange should be after grating the peel or the zest. This is how it should be. Make sure not to grate the white part of the orange. The peel contains citric acid that helps in brightening of skin naturally. It will give you the glow that you've always wanted. An orange peel has nutrients such as vitamin C, which fights acne and also helps getting healthy skin, calcium, which renews dead skin, potassium, which moisturizes and hydrates the skin, and magnesium for glowing skin that's useful and healthy. After getting my orange zest or orange peel, I'm now going to add coconut oil. And this is my coconut oil, which hydrates and brightens the skin. So I'm going to add it, and make sure you add it for it to cover the zest very well before you double boil it. So I'm adding the coconut oil before I drop it in my double boiler to extract the oil from the zest. After double boiling the oil, I'm now going to use a sieve to extract the oil from the zest, because we only need the oil now without the zest. In a clean bowl, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera. Aloe vera protects the skin, treats infections, and it also helps the production and release of collagen. And some drops of the orange peel oil. And I'm going to mix it for proper consistency. Keep mixing till you get a smooth consistency, or you can also use your hand mixer to mix it very well. I'm going to add some drops of vitamin E, which takes care of the skin as well, and mix it after. For best results, use this cream at night. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section, because this cream is just wow, because it brightens your skin naturally with. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video as well, and make sure to check on my channel for other amazing videos. See you next time. Bye.